Sabuj Dweep means green island, truly lives up to its name. As you step onto this island, you'll be greeted by lush greenery and the soothing sounds of nature. The island is a popular picnic spot and day trip destination. To reach Sabuj Dweep, you need to take a train from Kolkata till Sundrabaza station or Balaghat station. You can find motor van from station to reach Ferry Ghat. During winter, you will get motor boat, normal boat or speed boat to reach Sabuj Dweep. Sabuj Dweep is a tourist island in the Hooghly district of West Bengal. It's a small island in Sumra Bazar, located at the confluence of the Bihola and Hooghly rivers. Sabuj Dweep Tourist Point is a property located between the Ganga and paddy fields. It offers boating on the Ganga, and some say it's a good and safe place for visitors. West Bengal Tourism Development Corporation Limited provides a range of lodging options catering to various preferences and budgets. There are 7 double-bed cottages and 2 dormitory accommodations are available in the property. You need to make the online reservation prior to visit there. It's the only accommodation inside the island. As per my experience, the rooms need improvement with its accessories. The place is at the meeting point of Bihola and Hooghly River. This is the point where River Hooghly meets with River Bihola. It is an attractive tourist island in Hooghly district of West Bengal. The place filled with greenery at the middle of water can refresh the tourists. The night was too cold as it was on the month of January. Have a glimpse of the property during the night. On the way back I got a chance to visit the place Ambika Kalna, which is just 30 minutes drive from Sumra Bazar Ferryghat. It is located in the East Burdwan district, is a heaven for those who wish to explore Bengal's brilliant temple architecture. 108 Shiva temples in Kalna were built by Maharaja Tez Chandra Bahadur in 1809 AD. These Achala brick temples are made out of auspicious numerical combination in two concentric circles and devoted to Lord Shiva. The inner circle has 34 temples with white Shiva lingams. The outer circle has 74 Shiva temples with alternating black and white Shiva lingams. Each temple is a masterpiece with walls telling stories in terracotta. You'll see gods, goddesses, and all sorts of tales carved right into the walls. The town must be at least 1,000 years old. From Achala temples to stunning pinnacled structures, that has it all. It's like stepping into a history book. So, if you're into history, art, or just want to experience something magical, come check out Ambika Kalna. Trust me, you won't regret it. Please let me know through comment box, how did you like my videos and if there are any suggestions. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe to get many more on the go. Till then, do take care of your health from this excessive heat.